Hi everybody, welcome to the super easy drink of the week. This week we're going to be making the Shirley Temple. All you need is grenadine and zero mist. Dad, this is boring. Dad.
Buddy! Oh man, you were off to a really good start too, and this is called the super easy drink of the week. What's the problem?
Well, Dad, it's boring.
Boring? It's the Shirley Temple. I mean, what up? How about we do this? I've got these limes here that are ready for the next drink, but I can take one of these and we can squeeze it in there and freshen up, give you some vitamin C if you want to do that. Does that sound good?
No, Dad, we need to go next level.
Whoa, time out. You're telling me you're gonna make a Shirley Temple and then pour Pop Rocks all over top of it and call it a day?
No, Dad. Elle tested it out for us. Watch and see.
So, you want to know if you can add Pop Rocks to your drink. Well, let me tell you, it is very dangerous. Watch what happens when you add Pop Rocks on top of your drink. In conclusion, do not put Pop Rocks on top of liquid. The only way it works is by first adding them to the bottom of the glass. Good luck, Kyle. What's that smell?
Thanks, Elle. As you can see, you have to pour the Pop Rocks in first. Ice, please.
Scoop ice, coming up.
Fill it almost to the top with zero mist. ½ ounce of grenadine. Squeeze a lime. Finally, add as many cherries as possible.
Hold on, that's a lot of cherries, don't you think?
Dad, next level.
Fine. All right, buddy, you earned it. Go ahead and give it a try.
Thanks. Bro, he's gotta try this. Bro, where are you? Bro, where are you? Bro, where are you? Bro, where are you?
I'm in the bathroom!
Bro, you have to try this.
What?
You gotta try this.
This better be worth it. That's pretty good.
It's next level.
Well, there's only one way to top that, and that's with vodka. 1.5 ounces of vodka to be exact. And you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna take this Shirley Temple, use those ingredients, and we're gonna make a Vodka Cherry Limeade. So take Sierra Mist, use about 6 ounces and fill it almost to the top. Then we're gonna put a ½ ounce of lime juice. That's what makes it our limeade. And we're gonna float that grenadine with a ½ ounce. And I cut up a few limes just to make it look pretty. You don't have to. And finally, top it with cherry.
Gee, thanks, honey. You're the best.
You know,
It's good.
she's just like Shirley Temple. She's sweet, she's bubbly, and she's always on cue. But you know what? There's a reason why I said use 6 ounces of Sierra Mist, because it's exactly a ½ a can of soda, which means there's enough room to make another one for yourself. And that's next level.